Hi, this is Marty at the Dollar Garden. Doesn't look too good for doing a garden video today, so I said, okay, let me just capture the rain moments. As you can see, it's a wee bit wet. This is a nice downpour, but not as heavy as it was just about 5 minutes ago, so I'm just trying to capture the moment. And if this is my video for the day, it's my video for the day. But for now, let's just see what's happening. But so far, everything must be getting wet, so all those little plants that were dry over the past couple of weeks are just starting to feel the lovely water dripping on them. It's my wind channel, it's quiet at the moment, it's not windy, it's just wet. Wet, wet, wet. And it really isn't that serious of a rainfall because it was, you see the water on both sides of the street, that's a little lightly came in. And that's some thunder. Not going too close up because I'm not going to stick my rock. But there it is. Mother Nature has its best. And we're just going to sit back here a little bit and see if it picks up a little more than what it's been doing. As you can see, there's another little lightning. It seems like we're quite close to the storm center. And my bottle project, there we go. That little puppy is just like a mile away. We're just playing it safe and staying over here. So that's it. Rather than stick my luck, I think the water's starting to get a little heavier, as you can see. You see, let me take a look back at this. A little brightness back on going towards the northeast. But this little puppy is coming down. You can see the tempo of the rain is picking up. Wow. Pretty interesting. And here's my foot. You can see it now. Definitely picking up. Yeah, that's good. That is grand. There's more. Another one. Wait for it. Here it comes. Look at that. There goes my no-flow pond. No-float boat. There we go. Getting strong out there. There we go. And you can see the tempo is picking up more. Now, see how the water on the side of the bed is just starting to get a little higher and stretch out in the street. So this is a little nastier than what it was just about a minute ago. Well, rather than push it and test my luck, and as you can see, let's look over here. Yeah, it's getting a little wet up there. And we're getting hail. There you go. See the hail coming down now? There we go. Amazing. Little pieces of hail. There you see it. Wow. Just a little bit of hail. You can see there's little white spots popping up every once in a while. Let's see if we work on a catch them. Better be better. More in the garden. I don't see anything on the cement over here. They seem to be doing pretty good on this side over here. Ooh! Oh, now it's getting windy. Now Mother Nature's telling. It's taking the water and throwing it. There we go. Let me see if I see any more hail. I can see it. I can't, when I look in the camera, I don't get to see it, but when I look on the ground, I see it. But there it is. Bam. There we go, back out there. You can feel the breeze is blowing. It's cooler. Nice and cool. And let me see, I still don't see any hail. I just saw a minute ago I saw hail. And now we're starting to get it again. There you go, little pieces. You can make them out. You can probably see them in the dirt, boy. You can see them when they bounce when they come down. And here we go. Another burst. And there you go. You just see it. You got good eyesight. I'm just catching. It's not a conventional hailstorm. It's little pieces in that section that's coming down. Oh, now it's quieting down again. Alright, that's probably the first entertainment I can give you, so please like to draw the video. And if you're dry, come here. You're a little wet. Like the video and please subscribe to the channel and let me get inside before Mother Nature really turns dead on. Thank you. Bye-bye.